Hi Shantanu, welcome to the fourth episode of Prep Shot. So, how are you feeling?
I'm very excited.
Great to have you on board. So, please introduce yourself to the audience.
So my name is Shantanu Tanpure and I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I've completed my undergraduate in chemical engineering from IIT Nagpur and I worked for 3 years as a data analyst in Bangalore.
Great. So, you have scored 99.56 in CAT quant section. So, please walk us through the study techniques and strategies that help you to excel this amount of percentile and excel in CAT.
So my technique for excelling in cons was repetition. So I ensured that I attempted enough mocks and sectionals for cons to optimize my strategy for the D-Day. Optimizing my strategy for D-Day was very crucial because I believe maximizing your score is important in that section. And if you are going to waste your time on the questions which you will not be able to do, then it is very harmful for your overall score in that section. So that is why it was important.
Great. So, how many marks you have given?
I
In your
have
preparation?
given over 40 mocks and I've given over 20 sectionals for quant.
So, it seems reasonable that it helped.
It helped a lot.
Yes. So we all know that the CAT quant section is humongous, and basics matters a lot in quant. So please tell us that, and how should one attempt and how should one go through so that they can manage both doing quick solvings as well as managing the entire realm of quant.
So the syllabus of quants is granted very huge, but CAT is an exam where you don't have to attempt everything. So even like in exam, you only do the questions you are able to do. So I believe in preparation for quants also you should only study the subjects you are comfortable with. There might be some topics which you are not comfortable. For example, I was not comfortable with geometry, but I know I was able to do well in algebra and arithmetic, in mixtures and allegations, speed, time, distance. I knew what my strengths were, and I ensured I gave enough time for those because I knew these are the topics which are going to maximize my score in the end. So I ensured whatever my strengths are, I do well in that. And the topics like geometry, which were time drain for me, I decided to skip them, and that is how it helped me.
So algebra and arithmetic were your top two priorities in quant.
Yes.
Okay. So we all know that CAT 2023's quant was very difficult,
Mm.
and it was an insurmountable section.
Mhm.
So how you have tackled the tough questions in the middle, finding the doable ones?
So my strategy for CAT 2023 quant section ties in with the DILR section. For I can't talk about the other slots, but for me in slot one, the DILR section was pretty tough, and it took a heavy toll on me mentally after completion of that section. So I feel in any CAT attempt, it is very important to compose yourself after the DILR section, because if you straight away jump into quant after DILR, you might find it overwhelming. But if you take even 1 or 2 minutes of time to compose yourself, you can see the questions in new light and you can organize your thoughts clearly. And regarding the strategy for that section, for me was again, it ties to what my strengths were. I was able to identify the questions. I identified 10 questions which I would be able to do. And I was able to do that because of the experience of solving multiple mocks. So I was able to know which questions I'll be able to do, and I picked them, and because of my high accuracy, I did them well.
Okay, Shantanu, thanks a lot for your time.